boy, hold on, Young Abdul Jamal, man, back again with another YouTube video, man. It's been almost a year, man. Year since I posted my last video. And today, man, you see that? You see by the intro, man. Yes, I installed BBK headers on the 300. You know what I'm saying? My car not tuned, and I did have a check engine light that came on. It's been a long time coming. I haven't posted a video in almost a full year. But yeah, I got the headers put on. It probably took him like 4 hours to do. I dropped the car off at like 3 o'clock. Picked it back up at like 9 or like 8. Or like, I left at 7:30, got there like 8:15 to pick up the car. So it took him a couple hours to do, you know what I'm saying? But other than that, man, car sound good. Car sound good. You hear it, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, I'm gonna give y'all like a little POV, and then I'm gonna talk to y'all at the end of the video. Haven't already like, comment, subscribe on this video. And I didn't know. Okay, so I bought it. My mid pipe is catted. So I've been thinking about, you know what I'm saying, gutting the mid pipe of the headers, but I'm still indecisive right now. Let me know what I should do in the comment section. You know what I'm saying? Drop in the comment section what I should do. Matter of fact, I'm gonna show y'all how it look real quick. I don't see, yeah, y'all can see them right there, BBK, and then that's the mid pipe right there. It's glowing red, you know what I'm saying? I was turning up last night. I can't even capture y'all. Yeah, the car, it drives smooth. I ain't got no complaints or anything. Tune coming soon. My tune come on Tuesday, so that's gonna be another video, you know what I'm saying, on the lookout. I'm probably not gonna drop it. Video probably gonna drop next weekend, you know what I'm saying? I was indecisive of who I wanted to go to get a tune, but after doing some research and thinking of which one I think would be better, you know what I'm saying, well, like tune capability, you know what I'm saying, remote tunes and stuff like that, y'all gonna see. But yeah, let's get into the video. I want to hit it for y'all, but it's too many speed bumps and potholes where I'm at. So like, if I get like, if I get in like an open area, then that's what I'm gonna hit it. Yeah. Uh-oh. I can only like hear it from like the inside point of view. I wasn't really able to like hear it from like the outside. I'm not gonna lie, y'all. This bit acting. I ain't gonna lie. I'm gonna have to gut. I'm thinking about gutting the mid pipe, cause I ain't know the mid pipe that I bought had catalytic converters. But don't get me wrong, this bitch loud. You know what I'm saying? But Jesus, I can't even downshift. Damn. I don't know what I'm doing. This shit tough. I should have been bought these jobs, bro. I wanted a catless mid pipe, but I ain't know how it was gonna sound. But like, I need to get my tune out, cause as you can see, my check engine light is on, and the code is for Cadillac. It's a Cadillac converter, such and such, something like that. So much work, you know what I'm saying? So much in the work. Then after that, like, I already got planned out what I'm gonna do for the car. 2025, we going up, I'm telling you. I know I said that last year, But I'm being dead serious now. I said 2024, but 2025. We at 11,500 subscribers right now. Hopefully we can hit 12K subscribers. See, the only thing I don't like is that chargers, bro. You get the downshift for the charger so much easier than downshifting with a freaking whatever. Look at that GA right there. It's cam too. Damn, that shit tough. I want to get a G8 so bad. You too. That was supposed to be the next car. Look at that. It's bouncing. That bitch so clean, bro. G8s, bro. G8s, SSs, bro. Beautiful cars. I'm in so-called track mode, but it don't even do nothing. I'm gonna do a flyby past him and see what he do. Can I downshift? I know y'all hear all that. I'm gonna roll the window up and I'm gonna put this back. I am in Mexico right now, you know what I'm saying? Just a little POV, you know what I'm saying, with the long tube headers. I gotta get my tune, bro. Cause with the tune, the person that's tuning my car, I asked him if he can do if he can do something with the rev limiter, so I'll be able to downshift faster. You know what I'm saying, like the reaction time. I don't even know where I'm going at right now. I'm just whipping. I'm just glad that, you know what I'm saying, I got them headers on, bruh. I had these headers in my freaking trunk for like a month, and I bought these headers back in September, bruh. And they're finally on. Finally. After 4 months, almost. Well, 4 months. Because I bought them at the end of August, and they came in freaking, not October, like September. Imagine if I had, like, I ain't gonna lie, my homeboy said last night, he heard that bit popping a little bit. Matter if I had a burble tune on this. Hey, let me know in the comment section if I should go burble tune. I don't think I'm gonna do it, just off the simple fact of how everybody got a burble tune and like flame tune and all that stuff. So I think I'm gonna pass on that. But if y'all would like that, then I will do it. You know what I'm saying? But if y'all not messing with it, I'm not messing with it. You know what I'm saying? Matter of fact, I'm gonna go right. Cause I'm supposed to be going to Marshall's anyways. And I need to get gas too. Bro, what are you doing? You either gonna get over or you not? Bro, the car not even that loud, bro, because the car ain't that loud off the simple fact of how I still got 2 mufflers from my catback exhaust. Y'all didn't even know that. I got a Corsa, what is it called? Corsa Extreme catback exhaust with BBK long tube headers. That's my exhaust setup right now. And it's a size difference. So the headers connected to the mid pipe is 3 inches. And then the catback exhaust is 2 3/4. So 2.75 inch, whatever you want to call it. So it's a size difference. So what I had to do, I had to buy this. Basically this connector pipe, and it was like a step down. So I got it from, I think, like Speed Racing something, and I had bought 2 of them. One was like $30. Like one of the connections, it come with 2 clamps and the pipe. I think it was like $30, and so I had bought 2 of them, and they did like military. Also, when I got my BBK headers, military got 10% off, and the headers without the military was like $1,400. Put the military on there, got $300 off. I'm telling you. So the headers was $1,100, and then the exhaust, it was around the same. It was probably like the same. It was probably like $1K. So yeah. Then I ordered my tune, all that stuff. So stuff expensive, man. Shoot, but I'm getting this up so I can push out this content for y'all, man. I just been working, you know what I'm saying? Getting my car right, bro. I had about 4 new tires, bro. From remember when I blew my tire that one time? Damn. The dude I had went to, the nigga gave me the wrong size tires, and I was riding on them tires. They were brand new. He gave me the wrong size tires, and I was riding on them tires for like 7 months, and I never knew that they were the wrong size until I looked at them, and I'm like, bro, why my car look like that? Like my car looked like it was leaning. It was because he gave me the wrong set of tires. So I had to end up buying a whole set of tires, and I had to get my car realigned. So my back 2 tires is 275, I think 275, 35, 20. And then my front 2 is 245, 45, 20. So my back 2 tires are a little beefier than my front 2. Don't you just love the sound of muscle? I need an outside point of view. This car really does stink, though. It really does. Downshift. Might be an undercover cop somewhere. I ain't trying to get pulled over. Bro, one thing that I did realize one thing that I have, hold on. One thing that I have realized with these freaking headers, bro, and I ain't got no tune, but that gas going down and down and down, bro. I got 23 miles left, bro. I gotta hit that gas station ASAP, bro. This car sounds amazing, bro. Oh my God. To be honest, I was kind of worried that I ain't by the right connection part so it can go on to my freaking exhaust, but all praise to God. That's what I can say. More POVs on the way, man. All that. Last little bit, and then I'm done.
Big anaconda, count a whole lot of, keep me some cash, cool matata, whipping the jet, this not a monster, I need some air, who got a dog?